don't feel good, to say the least. I feel like a cold has been trying to come, and I've been trying to fight it while it's been trying to fight me. And on top of that, I'm trying to develop this new mindset of like, when I don't feel like it, do it anyway. And not in the sense of like, just, to make a dollar or to do something. But I feel like a lot of times we base our productivity off of feelings. Now, what I am doing, even when I don't feel like it and I'm still doing something, I'm not forcing myself to do everything that I put on like my to-do list. But I don't want to keep reacting and doing things based off emotion, because I'm starting to realize, and I wholeheartedly believe, that when you don't feel like doing something the most, that's when you should. I feel like there lies the biggest stretch. In the moment of not feeling like it lies the moment of growth. And I feel like there's so many blessings you can see in that moment of not feeling like it. So I'd rather not wallow in the feeling, and I'd rather show up in the moment. So I'm about to make this corset to go with the outfit of, let me show y'all what I'm making a corset to go with. This is what I'm making. So this is a suit that I've been working on for the past year. It was honestly cut out and I just didn't finish it. It was originally this mauve color, but I was like, corduroy. I don't want it to just be monotone. I think it'd be cute with some different design detail. So right now I am simply just using some pattern pieces from a corset I made a few months ago for someone else. I'll make sure to link the video referencing the dress that I'm speaking of, but I'm just simply retracing those pattern pieces on a clean sheet of pattern paper. That way I can have a clear concept of exactly what I want to make. And I'm simply just taking it in to make sure it fits my specific measurements. And I'm also doing what is called walking my pattern pieces to make sure that bust line is even and aligned, and also to make sure that the hemline is even like I liked it. Unfortunately, I did not draw it out this time. I kind of just got something in my head and said, ooh, girl, we got to do it. Now I am going to measure each panel to see how long my boning needs to be. This is what you called a flex curve boning. I did purchase this from Joann's. It was like about $3 a yard, but I did have to cut my boning in half vertically because it was slightly too wide for the casing that was sewn on the corset, but it ended up working out pretty good. I think for future garments, I may just go ahead and start working with metal boning, just because it'll give that shape and that structure that I was really looking for. But you'll see exactly what the end result looked like. I loved it, and I could not be any more happier than what it came out to be. when I tell y'all, my living room, my dining room, and my kitchen smelled like bleach for a good 2 days. It literally smelled like my mama's house early Saturday mornings when she would wake us up to clean up. Maybe it was just me. Maybe I'm a little traumatized. But make sure you wash your fabric with some good behind laundry detergent and some fabric softener, because that bleach smell, I went overboard. But I'm not gonna lie, I love the results. Anywho, moral of the story, wash your fabric or it will smell like your mama house on the weekend.